This message, na Ivie. Ivie, you always get that character, which is very bad. And you feel say you get people when you the Saga. Now you be queen of Saga. Abi? For now, people when you feel Saga, you see Saga. Your Saga, people not to the counter. Because many presenter, it be like when my pikin know where febrile patient come they laugh my pikin. No know say hey okay tozo I own they grow now every year they cut them. Now that one I will not say naughty presenter. Now there I tell no say naughty presenter, no presenter. Go ever tell me something I will say you might be in the talk. Cause no react be talk we are. Okay, you want to talk to Mama Sharon. And when I want to talk to Easy. Number one, Easy now to work one in go make a turn in. Or you can work if you might give say okay ya me came etana o. Wetin go concern person no okay una dey as you know where una want me get the premier you stick by follow Sharon no what do aveve o. No what do me analyze. Why so we robo? No egbe family Sharon no gbe Sharon according to we mark am gbe. Why una no leave that girl alone? Una say you know where. Oko wagi yo no wagi re gbe no no make na no me analyze here. Number one. He does submit everything to his family. So mona leave her alone. No ya de mo roto wa to wa ye gbe mara mo wa si eba. Mo wa di po le eba. E ma ka wo won mi wa ko we du no weta gbe ma CCC which I feel for you. But all the no roto gbe ave Saga ye Sharon. Venu gbe na wa won mo. Elu be tu e wo ge no ke. Wa ge no ke na e de egui. Una viviere. Me I know how many times me and no get on Saga. O me mu di mere no do apostili me do apostili e. Ya wo mo ete gbo ya son. Awon mo egbo ya son. Wetin go concern you concern Sharon Pikin. When you call the sweat for Sharon Pikin. What is your name? Oh, wa go no go wa go ha mo no go wa go ha. Wetin go concern innocent Pikin? For what matter? Now so you still do out of my children when me and Frank, when you and I come be cataract today, still jam because they lie on my children. Why you get that character? Why you get that character? Why you really get that character? What you concern innocent Pikin? My sister, now a guy woman, no be this one they tell the fear person no. Ah, na ya, what you can bishop your hand? Michelle who concern Saga who were. I don't understand you. I don't understand you. Me ma understand the way. Me ma understand the way because me ma believe the vision more with bonona. A single mother no me ne to bonona ta yere. Because any woman when you don't dey born get feelings for children. O mani me e wo mo gbogbo bi ero ya abuja o. E mani ibo gbogbo bi ere. De no mani manaka kwa lo. O wo replace e bono mu gbo bi ere ni. You get why? Which is very bad. If you have removed that Pikin picture from your Saga, for what? Na we can do it. Tell you that mo be nyagi ku we kon do ta gbogbo ewe. Me not buy my sister. Am me not go kan. What you call concern innocent Pikin concern matter when it dey grand. They remove children from your Saga. Or they man dislike you. You get why? Anybody who wear power like bo have more bog bi and we wish on more with him. A bit me beg reason. Enough is enough. Hey, if you beg it be a car. Hey, if you beg it be a car. Guije Sharon one. Remove that small Pikin from his side. Go Sharon is here one. Madam, me away if people around you, if not me, they talk to Monica who like you do away me on Agbo. A Frankie with Monica, a real una ye supported Frank. Na nya. Wama me we ema ya ngwela o we select man we binane Monica na. Dia temata my sister, kenana temata aguye ma. Why do I feel go tunga wahi? Agwena wa bebe gusanario 10 ro enough is enough. Okay, enough is enough. Why do I thank God babu wa say? Yes na, una be biggest. I be smoker but I like her like that. Babu wa say because the man ya no wagu was say they no maro be here after a quarter. After a quarter. Then we they talk well. God bless you all for your love and life. Please give me love and like and share this video. You get why? And leave your opinion in the comment section.